Do I need to use the spit booth to show these niggas how we really do it? The name is Romello Raps, nigga. Y'all better quit playing with the city, nigga. This is Detroit, home of the hustlers. Nigga, concrete jungle. We got Detroit Lions and Detroit Tigers to defend for. Let me see how I can tell these fellas. Make sure they get a glimpse of the mohawk. Check me. Yo, I'm the shit like a toilet, man. Tell them who the fuck I am. Unsigned, one line, rolling on the murder rhymes. Gotta be a big boy. I kill a mic every time. Industry outcast, looking for the sunshine. Never seen the light of day. Feeling like I'm sorta blind. Feel me? It's like to see when I be on the grind. I am the shit, watch my hustle if it's cash in my eyes wide shut in plain view is the dollar signs. Looking for trouble, come see, come find. Leave with a loss of blood, found somewhere dying. I make it do what it do. You keep on trying. A criminal individual with a criminal mind. I am the shit, get off my ass, come follow behind. Toilet paper necessary when I utter a line. I run shit, wrote a diarrhea rhymes. I am the shit, how many niggas do I gotta remind? Yo, nigga, I am the shit. To any nigga that think I ain't with the cash, tell him put up the bank. Nigga, I am the shit. And any nigga out there with nerve, with drug money, tell me put up a bird. Nigga, I am the shit. And any nigga out there with cash, with enough money to talk, nigga, show off your ass. I am the shit. Ain't no way explaining this, but understand, nigga, I am the shit. Let me think for a second. Coming back, flowing criminal mind like a weapon. The guns is cocked, rhymes not rope, and I'm straight for point, 7 mile cutthroat. Shit, let me display what I say. Come through the block, mohawk with the waves. And so I say niggas play grown man addict. Nigga, I'm a fiend like an addict. Straight to the point, smoke niggas like joints. And a nigga come close, he better be on fucking point. Cause when I guard, niggas get scarred. Niggas get left on the head way to calling God. Shit, I raise hell in the booth. Keep a lot of loot, nigga only speak the truth. An attitude like NWA used to. Niggas ain't kicking it this easy, I'm telling you. Nigga, this is just that. I spit it like I'm trying to tell a fact. Matter of fact, let me talk to you youngin'. Nigga, this is different strokes and yo a drumming. Like Arnold said it, what the fuck is up, Willis? Niggas don't get it. Better pay a meal ticket, cause it costs to be the boss. Y'all niggas ain't paying prices. Niggas know that roast stay the nicest. Ice wig, wrist rolls, gotta get it. I hit the block, double flip from the hip it. Niggas is hippies, they can't see me. I'm like Kendricks and these niggas can't beat me. Nigga, you need more chemistry. Jazz tight music, cause these niggas ain't feeling me. So better yet, niggas know I'm felt. Coming through and whipping niggas ass like a belt.